Welcome to Yorkton Aircraft Satloc Cloud walkthrough video. Today we're going to go through the steps of installing the Wi-Fi adapter provided by Satloc and the Satloc Cloud software onto your G4 CPU. Step one is I'm going to need some information from you to set up your Satloc Cloud account. That is going to be, I need the name of your company, an email address associated with the account, a password that must contain at least 8 characters, at least one special character, at least one number, one capital letter, and one lowercase letter. I'm also going to need a phone number that's associated with the account. I will then take that information to Satloc and have them create your account. Then I will get back to you, let you know you're good to go. You can then navigate to satloccloud.com, enter in your credentials, and sign in. Now we're quickly going to go through the process of creating an aircraft and a pilot profile and combining them. So first we're going to start with creating the pilot. At the left here, click there, then the top right, add pilot, and then add the pilot's name. Click save. Now we're going to add the aircraft. Top left, add aircraft, add your tail number, assign a pilot, and the aircraft model. Then click save. Now you can repeat this process for every aircraft and pilot to assign them. We need to verify that the IntelliTrack software is equal or greater than 3.18.109.1564. I am going to show you how to update your IntelliTrack in the case you have to. Now I do have a USB with the software, so I'm going to hit USB key. Now it recognizes the 1750. I'm going to hit yes. Okay, now software update complete. Click OK. Now verify that it has been uploaded, 1750. Now if your iStar launch is 3.319.117, please contact me and I can walk you through how to update your iStar launch. So we're going to return to Windows. With the USB that I will provide you, you will have software there. So let's click on the computer, go into the E drive, which is the USB. Now I am using a mouse. It's not required, definitely helps the installation process. So what we do need to do is we need to copy and paste this folder onto the desktop. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy, and paste. Now that we've copy and pasted the folder to the desktop, we're going to double click the folder. And this bottom file, the Windows batch file, this is the setup file that we're going to click. Now install your USB Wi-Fi adapter to your USB hub and double click this file to go through the installation. Okay, so now the Wi-Fi adapter install is now complete. When you get to this screen, we're going to hit OK, and we're going to return to Windows. Now at the bottom right here, you can see this icon. This means that the Wi-Fi adapter is being noticed. So we're going to click on it. We are going to click the Wi-Fi that we would like to connect to. Now if this keyboard does not automatically pop up, you can drag from the left and pull it onto the screen. Okay, so now that we've successfully connected to the internet, We're going to go through the process of installing the Satloc Cloud to the CPU, which is the exact same process as the TP-Link. So go into Computer, the removable disk key, and we are going to right click and copy, exit out, and we will paste. Now that that has been copied, we'll double click the folder. And again, when we click the installer file, this is going to cause your system to reboot multiple times. And when the installation is complete, it will load into the iStar launch page. Okay, so now that the Satloc Cloud installation is now complete, so let's click continue. Again, we're going to go return to Windows Desktop. To find out if you have a successful installation is you're going to have these icons show up on your toolbar, which you will click. And then you have to enter your serial number, which is located at the back of the CPU. So go ahead and enter that. And click link. So now you'll get in contact with me and tell me your serial number of the CPU that you've installed the Satloc Cloud to. I will send that to Satloc and they will provide a PIN. Okay, so now I've sent the serial number to Satloc and this link button has reappeared. Now I will provide you with a 4-digit PIN and you will enter that here and then authorize. Click OK. At the left, you'll see units. Let's click this and confirm. Here's our PIN, CPU serial number. Now let's assign it to an aircraft and the pilot, which will click to the right, the airplane, assign the aircraft. And here's the pilot and aircraft that we uploaded previously. Let's click save. And there we go. We have successfully uploaded the Satloc Cloud to your CPU and connected the CPU to the Satloc Cloud. I hope this video is helpful in your installation process. And if you do have any problems or any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call at Dirkton Aircraft. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.